Dear students, today we will start exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Evaluate each of the following. Sub-question A, minus 30 divided by 10 equal to minus plus minus 30 divided by 10. So 10 threes are 30. We get minus 3. B, 50 divided by minus 5 equal to minus plus minus 50 divided by 5. 5 tens are 50. So minus 10 is answer. Now all these questions are same. So do it yourself. Sub question E. This question is different. 13 divided by into bracket minus 2 plus 1 equal 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. So minus 13 divided by 1. So answer is minus 13. Now all these questions are same. So do it yourself. Question number 2. Verify that A divided by into bracket B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus into bracket A divided by C for each of the following values of A, B and C. First one, A equal 12, B equal minus 4 and C equal 2. LHS equal to A divided by B plus C. A means 12, B means minus 4 and C means plus 2. So 12 we will put as it is, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2 we will write. Now 2 6 are 12, minus plus minus 6, that is answer. RHS equal to A divided by B, A divided by C. A means 12, B means minus 4. In next bracket, A means 12, C means 2. Now 12 divided by minus 4. So 4 threes are 12, minus 3 and 2 6 are 12 plus 6. Minus plus minus. So we get 3 answer. Minus 6 not equal to 3. Therefore LHS not equal to RHS. Sub question B. A equal to minus 10, B equal to 1 and C equal to 1. In same way, you have to solve this second sum. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First blanks, 369 divided by blanks equal to 369. Which number we can write in these blanks? The answer will be same, positive integer. If we use here plus 1, then answer will be same, positive integer. In all these blanks, we use number according to this given formulas table. Question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers into bracket a, b such that a divided by b equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 equal to minus 3. Solution: 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b equal to minus 3 can be first one minus 12 and 4, since minus 12 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. So that is minus 3. In second pair, we get minus 6 and 2. Since minus 6 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. That is minus 3. In third pair, we get minus 9 and 3. Since minus 9 divided by 3. So minus plus minus 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 answer. And fourth pair, we get 9 minus 3. Since 9 divided by minus 3. So that is also minus 3. And fifth pair, 21 and minus 7. Since 21 divided by minus 7 equal to minus 3. That is also minus 3. This is an open-ended question. So more answers are possible. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Solution: temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. The decrease in temperature from 10 degrees Celsius to minus 8 degrees Celsius equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. Therefore, minus minus plus. So, 10 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. That is 18 degrees Celsius. For 2 degrees Celsius fall in temperature, it takes 1 hour. Therefore, 18 degree falls in temperature. It takes 18 divided by 2. So 2 9s are 18. That is 9 hours. The time 9 hours after 12 noon will be 9 p.m. Therefore, the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius will be attained at 9 p.m. In 1 hour, the temperature fall is 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, in 12 hours, 12 noon to 12 midnight, temperature falls will be 2 degrees Celsius into 12 degrees. So, 12 2s are 24 degrees Celsius. At 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, at 12 midnight, the temperature will be 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius. So, minus plus minus 14 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Sub-question 1. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Now, Radhika got 12 correct answers. Therefore, the marks obtained by Radhika for correct answer equal to 12 into 3, that is 36. Since Radhika scored 20 marks, the marks obtained for incorrect answer equal to 20 minus 36 minus plus minus 16. Therefore, the number of incorrect answer equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2. minus minus plus equal to 8. So Radhika attempt 8 questions incorrectly. Now sub question 2. Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? This question is same as previous question. Question number 7. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Solution. The elevator is at the level plus 10 meters. Therefore, to reach the level minus 350 meter, the elevator has to descend 10 meter minus 350 meter. So minus minus plus. So 10 meter plus 350 meter equal to 360 meter. The elevator descends 6 meter in 1 minute. So it will descend 360 meter in 360 divided by 6. That is 60 minutes. So the elevator will take 1 hour means 60 minutes to reach minus 350 meter. Thank you.